Go on the other side. Hey, Mater Tails.
Daddy, help me, bud. Start ripping. Holy smokes, bud.
That's just...
Who's that present from? Is that from Mommy and Daddy? What is it?
What is it, bud? Look over here.
Look, what is it?
Why don't you come down here and sit down? And you can rip all that stuff off.
Look at...
What is it, honey?
What is it, bud? Is that a table for...
For what?
Is that a table to maybe put all your things on? Your frames? Hey, bud?
Honey, open the one behind you,
Hey,
too.
bud?
Maybe you'll realize what it is.
No, I don't think he does either.
Start ripping.
Oh, frig zig.
Rip it down. What is it? Hey, bud? Look. On this side. Did I
Look,
turn the wrong way?
yeah, I was gonna say, look at on the other side.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
What is it, baby?
It's a trick-or-treat with the table.
That's right. Just like
at
when
the
we get the
haircut
hair,
place.
where we go get our haircut. You have your very own now.
Cool.
Maybe we'll set that up after.
Wow.